Today, medicine is based on the idea that you and I and him are all the same except for one thing that we call the disease. But that's not true. The truth is that each of us is very, very different. And even in facing a disease, the response of our organism can be very different from person to person. The challenge is that in order to capture the individual differences, we have to handle a huge amount of information that today can be collected, but that is just too much information for a doctor to handle without any help. That's where in silico medicine comes in. Computer models can take all this information about an individual patient, elaborate them in the light of all the knowledge we have about the physiology, the pathology, and return to the doctor the one information that the doctor needs to take the best decision about that individual patient. So in principle, all diseases would benefit from this approach. But of course, there are some which are more affected, and these are the diseases where the differences between individual response are very, very important. Some examples are cancer, neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease or Alzheimer, cardiovascular diseases, osteoporosis. So you see very important diseases that affect millions and millions of people in Europe.
We will start with modeling, go to simulation, to building simulation applications, and to run them, and in order to elaborate decision support systems, a kind of expert systems. So what does it mean from our point of view of a team which comes from computer science? It means that we need to elaborate advanced problem-solving environments which enable large-scale simulations, a lot of large-scale simulations, comparison of these large-scale simulations. Then we need to advance some methods for data analysis, and for this purpose we will use machine learning, we will use methods of artificial intelligence.
Probably the most immediate impact will be in the use of modeling and simulation to test the safety and the efficacy of medical products. This could immediately reduce of potentially an order of magnitude the cost to bring a new product to the market. And even the time would be significantly shorter. And that would have a tremendous positive impact on all healthcare system, both in developed and developing countries.
We will have a close collaboration with medical companies, and they will move these prototypes into clinical practice. And we hope that in such a way the medical treatment will become much cheaper, will become adequate to the needs of a specific patient, and will be much more successful.